Hey guys, I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. I want to give you a few tips for things to consider when renovating a small bathroom. So here we have a bathroom that was once a powder room adjacent to a small closet. So we reconfigured this one to get as much as we could out of a small space. It's still a small space, but here's some things to consider that help maximize the use of that space. So in this case, we had that classic window in the bathroom. We had to be part of the shower. So here we actually tiled around it. We picture framed it to make it a bit of a feature instead of just trying to find a way to make that thing disappear into the shower itself. When planning your configuration, you need to think about things like the size of your toilet, for example. So this is a very compact toilet unit, which fits well in this smaller bathroom and still gives enough room that you can flow through to access the shower, have room for knee clearance up against the vanity. So consider that when considering your toilet, because it's not only the length of the bowl per se, it's the height, the width of the tank, all those things to consider. Here we had a few things to work around. So we had a plumbing stack that we really couldn't move. So we ended up with this little wall beside the vanity. And that then needed a bulkhead above to facilitate a drain to one of the upper bathrooms. So when looking at the vanity you select, how will it fit in the space? How much countertop space do you need? In this case, we have enough at the back with a small sink, which is good enough for their son who's using this bathroom on a regular basis. Also, considering your fixtures, so here we have a mirror and a nice circular light, and they're offset slightly because of the bulkhead, but it looks really good together in design. Also, with a smaller space, here we've opted for a barn door or sliding door system. I'll show you how it works. This eliminates the need for a swing door that would take up more room or space in the room. So in some cases, the sliding door can really be advantageous to give you good access without impeding the room around you. Lastly, we built some nice recessed cubbies in behind the door, and that gives some more storage space, which is vital in a bathroom. You want somewhere to store your toilet paper, maybe some towels. Here, there's no room for any additional furniture pieces or shelving without the room feeling even smaller. So those are good little options too to help make it practical and maximize that use of space. If you have any questions about designing your small bathroom, add some questions or comments below or give us a call. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Paul from Contact Renovations and Custom Homes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.